I was the same person who had failed one of the papers of the same ACCA course, that is PM. I am Varun Thakkar and I live in Mumbai. I have completed my SSC and HSC examination and I am currently pursuing ACCA along with BCom at Nursing College. So I have achieved the first rank all over India. Not only all over India, I have secured the first rank globally. But yes, globally I am tied with another student who has secured the same marks. I think that I had an interest towards investment banking. As I told earlier, I took the mentorship of my accounts teacher and he advised me to think about ACCA, and afterwards which I made my decision that yes, ACCA is the right choice for me. I think there are two strong reasons why I think that ACCA has an edge over other courses, most importantly CA. First of all, it is recognized globally and it has partnerships with employers all over the world. Also, it is based on international accounting and auditing standards, which is the main reason I think that it is better than CA. My mother is obviously my main motivation, and because of her, I always try to work hard, and definitely she strives so hard in order to ensure that I achieve my goals, and I always try to do my best in order to make her feel proud. I always try to look the practical behind the theory. For example, if something is written, I try to understand why they have written this. In this way, I can not only remember my theoretical aspects, but I can enhance my practical skills too. According to me, there must always be a balance between studying and keeping myself entertained. So I try to ensure whenever I am exhausted or whenever I am not comfortable to study for the subject, then I try to engage in extracurricular activities. As I said, I never aimed to complete. For example, I would say that in 1 week I would complete 7 chapters, or in 2 weeks I would complete these many chapters. I just went with the flow, and there weren't any specific targets. But yes, I tried to ensure that I finish my portion at least 10 to 15 days before the examination, so that at least I get sufficient time for revision. So basically, I take recording lectures. I have the recordings of the full syllabus, but my target is always to watch 3 to 4 chapters in a row and then revise them and then move on. Otherwise, according to me, it's no use if I see the whole recordings, then if I move on to the first chapter, then I don't think so that I would be able to remember what the professor said about a particular line or a particular provision. I would say that exam kit is very much dependent on the study text. The study text basically helps us in getting conceptual clarity what the subject or what the topic is trying to make us aware of. According to me, the exam kit can't be solved if you don't have a conceptual clarity about the study text. So I think that it is not only essential to get a conceptual clarity, but it is also as well as important to solve the exam kit, because even if you get a conceptual clarity, you need to be aware of that what type of questions are asked in the ACCA examination. In the beginning, yes, I was worried that whether I would be able to complete the portion or not. But yes, as I progressed over time, I was sure that I would be able to not only complete the portion, but clear the exam with good marks. I did not go well with time management. Time management was a main issue. So because of which I took advice from my sister, and she told me that it is just better to go question by question rather than looking through all of the questions. If I'm not able to answer any question, I just move forward to ensure that first I am able to complete my paper and then move on to questions that I find a bit of challenging. you should not have negative emotions towards yourself if you have really worked hard or if you really think that you have given your 100%. So the admin department here is always ready to help. And talking about the faculty, the doubt clearing lectures, as I take recordings, I attend the doubt clearing lectures, and yes, I am always pleased that my doubts are cleared with 100% conceptual clarity, and there is nothing left in my mind as to what is the reason behind this, or basically the answer to the question why. So I am very pleased to be a student of FinPlan, and yes, I wish that I could continue with FinPlan in the future. I haven't set any particular goal yet, but my goal now would be to be able to ensure that I clear the rest of my papers with a positive result. After that, I wish to work in one of the big 4 companies. The world rank secured by me would definitely enhance my CV, and I aim to capitalize on it by not only working hard now towards my theoretical experience, that is studying all these ACCA papers, or I should say subjects, but also to ensure that not only be able to work well with my employers but also my peers, and I would try to ensure that I am a good team player. I would basically say that this is a very simple message that everyone has heard of, that never give up. I was the same person who had failed one of the papers of the same ACCA course, that is PM. I had never aimed for a world rank. All I did was to ensure that I learned something new, and yes, I secured a world rank. Basically, I want to convey that if I am the person who can fail and then secure a world rank, then yes, definitely you can do it.